Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were discussing on the median and we learned how to calculate the median in the discrete series, that is frequency distribution series. Now, the calculation of median in the continuous series, that is also frequency distribution series, if the data is good data, means that is given in the groups or that is in the class and the frequencies are there also, then how to calculate the median? It is little bit complicated, but it can be calculated by using the formula, and that formula is simple formula for the calculation of median in the continuous series. Median is equal to lower limit of class interval, that is Li, lower limit, plus n by 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, in which it is found upon frequency into C, or you can use the word I also. This is the formula to calculate the median in the continuous series. What is the meaning of it? L1, this is the lower limit of the class interval in which the median class falls or found. N by 2 means total frequency upon 2. It means to find the number in which the median falls, that is called to find the median class. Cumulative frequency means the preceding cumulative frequency in which the median class falls, that is, and C mean the class interval or I mean class interval, mean Li lower limit of class interval of the median class mean that class interval or that group in which the median might be fall, जिसमें वो median मिलेगा. N by 2, that is total frequency divided by 2 why to find the median class. वो कौन सा नंबर होगा जिस मीडियन क्लास में ये होगा, in which median class it will fall. And CF mean cumulative frequency. Which cumulative frequency? Preceding cumulative frequency of the median class, यानी कि जो median है, that median class, the cumulative frequency of that median class, the preceding one, mean that is up to the above the or that is before the cumulative frequency of the median class, or that is preceding cumulative frequency. And C mean class interval mean difference between the lower limit and upper limit. This is the simple formula we use. Now how to do? Simple. See it. Step 1, first of all, make the simple frequency into cumulative frequency. First of all, you have to convert the simple frequency into the cumulative frequency, and then after we will step 2, find the median class, in which class the median falls. Then after, use the formula to determine the median in the continuous series. Now, one example is there. Calculate the median age from the following data. Age data is given, that starts from 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. And number of teachers is given. Number of teachers that is frequency 30, 20, 15, 13, 27. Step 1, first of all, convert into the cumulative frequency. CF 30, 38 plus 20 equal to 50, 50 plus 15 65, 65 with 13 78, and 78 and 27 105. This is the cumulative frequency. Now, step 2, that is, we have to find the median class by using the n by 2, and this is 105 upon 2, this is 52.5. This is the middle or position of this one median, but not the actual median, because median is falls in the age between this or this and this and wherever. So 52.5 falls under this cumulative frequency. 52.5 is covered under this cumulative frequency in 65. So median may fall in this particular median class. So this is the median class. Now we found the median class. This is 45 to 50. Between this, the median is there. This is frequency. Frequency means the frequency before the median class. This is C, preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. This is called C. Now put it into the formula. See here the formula. Median formula is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C, and C is 5. Difference is 5. Now lower limit of the median class is 45 plus n by 2 equal to 52.5. Directly you write 52.5. C is 50 minus 50. Frequency is 15 and class interval is 5. Now simplify it. 45 plus 2.5 upon 15 into 5. Again write 45 plus, multiply it, 12.5 upon 15. Now find it and calculate it. You can find the median, and this calculation is, or you can write here like this, 2.5, it's 5, 5, 3 is 15, 45 plus 2.5 upon 3, divide it. 45 plus 53.3. This is the median which falls between 45.83, 45.83, which falls under 45 to 50. This is the median. Now see with another example, if the median is to be calculated, that is given less than, and its frequency have been given, then what to do? First of all, make the class of it and then find it. See the example. Mean you have been given the question with cumulative frequency, and that is given less than or more than along with the cumulative frequency, then you have to find the median. As in the question is given pocket money less than it is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and number of students this is called X, this is called F. This is given the cumulative 15, 35, 50, 60 and 65. This is less than. Now first of all, what you have to do? First of all, convert into its class and then simple frequency. Conversion into class. The pocket money X, I am writing here X, converting to class less than 5 means 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. This is given. 5. Now frequencies. This CF being given 15, 35, 50, 60 and 65. Then what to do? From this minus it. 35 minus 15. First you write 15. Next 35 minus 15 equal to 20. Then 50 minus 35, 15. 60 minus 50, 10. 65 minus 60, 5. This is the frequency, simple frequency. Now it is converted to the simple frequency. Then use the formula. First of all, what you have to do, n by 2 you find, n by 2. The total is 65, n is 65. Either you total this or this is the total. To 32.5. 32.5 falls under this cumulative frequency. So before it the class is called median class. This is called median class, and this is frequency. This is C, cumulative preceding cumulative frequency. Now put in the formula. See, median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C, that is L1 5 plus n by 2 32.5 minus C is 15 upon frequency 20, interval is 5. Now simplify it. 5 plus 17.5 upon 20 into 5. 5 4 are 20. Now 5 plus 4 4 are 16. 4 3 are 12. This is 9.375 median. 9.375. This is called median. Understood? Now see the another one. If that another one is very important, that is graphic method of determination of median. Graphic method. How it is presented in the graph. In the previous chapter, I have already explained that one. That is by making the ogive curve, ogive graph, we can find the median. It becomes easy to find the median. That is called graphical presentation to ascertain the median. And we uses the less than or more than. The example is given. Find out the median from the following data. Let me write here. Grouping method. Wages 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Number of students being given, that number of students it is called F, it's X. 20, 35, 50, 30, 20 and 11. Then what we have to do? The first of all, it should be converted into the less than. Mean that is to be converted into the less than. Obviously, it will come into the cumulative form. Are you getting me? The first of all, this size of item which has been given in the group data or class interval data should be converted. The step one is to be converted into the less than, and the frequency will become cumulative. Then it will be presented at the graph. See how it is. So conversion of the wages or size of item into less than. Wages less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. It is less than. The frequencies are given. So cumulative, converted into the cumulative frequency, that is 20 first, 20 plus 35. You add it one by one. It's 55, 35 plus 50. It's 85. 55 plus 50. 105 plus 135 plus 155 plus 166. This is the cumulative frequency. Now this is presented at the graph. How it will be presented? You see here. I am erasing it. See it. And I am going to write over here again. Wages less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. CF is given as 20, 55, 105, 135, 155, 166, as I have already given earlier before erasing it. That is on the basis of this one. Now you see how it is drawn or how it is plotted on the graph paper. At the graph paper, the small boxes are there, small boxes are there, which is measured one, and then you put the scale on it and draw the straight line in it on it. See, I am making here x-axis, y-axis. Now it is lowest one is 20 and highest is 166. I am measuring it 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 160 and 180. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160 and 180. This is y-axis. Here 0 less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This I measured on the basis of only imagination. It is not properly scaled. It is not properly scaled, keep in your mind, but you just draw with the scale by properly measuring it. Then you will find the accurate median. See, less than 10, 20. 20 is here. It starts from here. 20. Put the dot. Less than 20, 55. 20, 55, 40. This is middle 50 and this is 55. 55. Now less than 30, 105. 30, 105. It is 110, 105. Then 40, 135. 135. This is 30 and this is 35. Now 155, 50. And this is 55. And 166, 60. This is 70, this is 65, this is 66. Now, this is a curve. When you will plot on the graph, you will make it clear. Now see, 166 is the maximum meaning total of frequency n by 2 166 upon 2 83. So 83 is the median number or median class. The 83 is the n by 2. See here, this is 80, this is 90, and this is 85, 95. 3 falls here, and put a straight line from here and drop it on the OX axis. This is not so straight. It will fall here between 20 to 30. Somewhere it falls. That is 20 to 30. It is called median. So this is called median. You can find the median, that is between the 20 to 30. Somewhere it falls. And can you imagine? 20 to 30 means this is 25. This is 25. So it is up to 26 or 20, between 27. If you will measure, you will find correct or accurate 27. And if you put in the algebraic form, you will find the same median. On the basis of this one, we can put or we can plot this mosaic curve in the case of more than also. So you learn how to ascertain the median on the according to algebraic method as well as the graphical method. Now practice on it to determine the median. In the next class we will study the mode. It is enough for today. Have a good day. Thank you.